Hello students. Today we are going to study working with lists in HTML. HTML offers web authors three ways for specifying lists of information. All lists must contain one or more list elements. Lists may contain OL tag, that is an ordered list. This will use different schemes of numbers to list your items. UL tag, an unordered list. This lists items using plain bullets. DL tag, a definition list. This arranges your items in the same way as they are arranged in a dictionary. First, let us start with an ordered list. Now student, in the right hand side you all can see an example of an ordered list, right? Normally when we are going for grocery shopping, we make a list of items, right? We write 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABCD, okay? This is an example of ordered list. So how do we write that? Please note, under the OL tag, OL is actually ordered list, okay? We have sub tags here called LI. Those are the list items, okay? This is the main tag called OL. Type equal to 1 means it will be number. It will be a numbered list, number ordered list, okay? LI is the list items, okay? LI. Now, this is the first type. Under ordered list itself, suppose I want to change this 1, 2, 3 to some higher uppercase letter. What do? We change this OL type equal to A and then we write the list items, okay? As you can notice here that 1, 2, 3 has been changed to ABC. Suppose now you want it with lowercase letters, okay? What do you need to do? You just need to change this to small a. That's it, okay? Coming to the next example. Suppose, can I use Roman numbers here? Yes. Here if you notice, I wrote Roman 1. So this type basically indicates the type of ordering, okay? Either it is like numbers like 1, 2, 3 or else it is like character like ABC in small or uppercase, or else it is ordered list with Roman numbers. Suppose we want with lowercase Roman numbers, just change this type equal to small case Roman letter, okay? Now we are coming to the next attribute, okay? How can we control the list counting? Okay, so it is the next attribute of OL. Suppose I wrote OL type equal to this one is Roman, okay, and this here you wrote 50, okay? So what will happen is that, see, by default if I do not give this start, what happens is that an ordered list will always start counting from 1 or from here a Roman 1. If I give any starting attribute, it will start from there, okay? So that is also possible. If you notice clearly here, since I gave OL start equal to 50, it started with the number 50. Again, since I gave type equal to if with start, for example, you gave start equal to, you gave an obviously start equal to, we have to give a number, but you did not give a type, so it will take it automatically that obviously maybe it is type equal to a number kind of list. But suppose if you want to do the same thing with Roman numbers, what you need to change here, you write type equal to I, that is Roman 1, and write start equal to 50. This, as you all know, is Roman 50. Coming to the next type of list, okay, that is unordered list. Suppose you do not want to number, okay, what can you do then? In Word, those who, I think all of you have experience of working with Microsoft Word, So if you are listing out something, okay, bullet points are there, right? Disc, okay. That disc is the first type of unordered list. So unordered list starts with UL tag. Why UL? Because it is unordered list, UL, and each list item again is LI tag, that is list item. Okay. Now UL type equal to disk, if I write like this, it will be a solid circle, that is small, a solid circle. If you write circle, it will be a hollow circle. If you write square, it will be a solid square. Let us see one example. Now in this particular example, students, if you see, we will just check this portion, okay. So when I am talking about list, obviously I will assume that you are aware of the basics of HTML, so I'm not going into the depth. So HTML always starts with HTML tag and ends with end tag, that is /HTML. Again, whatever I am doing inside body, which should again end, okay, as it has ended here. H2 tag here is optional. Even if you do not write, it's okay, but just for it'll have this particular heading, that's why I have used that. Okay. Now UL is the unordered list. What is LI? That is the list item. And I wrote coffee, tea, milk, etc. I already mentioned here that if you do not write any type, by default it is always solid circle. So you can see that here. Since I have not mentioned any type, by default it took solid circle here. The last type of list, okay, is a description list. A description list is a list of items with a description or definition of each item. The description list is created using DL element. The DL element is used in conjunction with the DT element, which specify a term, and the DD element, which specify the term's definition. Browsers usually render the definition lists by placing them or by placing the terms and definitions in separate lines, where the term definitions are slightly indented. For example, you can see the output first here, okay. If you see the output properly, see this one is the definition term, okay, that is DT, that is the terms, okay, this is the term. If you see properly, the definition term and the terms definition, that is DD, okay, this has been kept in separate lines, first of all. Second of all, if you see that DD, okay, is slightly indented as compared to the DT. So it is similar to a dictionary term, where this can be thought of as a word, and this is the meaning of that word, okay. So how do we write that here? We wrote DL, okay. What is this DL? This is a definition list. So we saw three types of list: unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. For unordered list, the tag is UL. For ordered list, the tag is OL. For definition list, the tag is DL. Inside DL, we saw DT, that is the definition term, that is bread, okay, here. And then DD, which will be slightly indented to the right hand side, okay, that is the description of that particular term. Again, you can see one more term here, that is coffee. And what is the description here of that particular term? A drink made from roasted coffee beans. So that is slightly indented towards the right hand side. So these are the three lists which we have discussed today. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you, students.